Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by powering down and unplugging everything. This prevents shorts and accidental input. Once done, flip the laptop closed and lay it on a flat, stable, static-free surface. Make sure you have a gel cleaner specifically for electronics, a lint-free microfiber cloth, a soft brush, cotton swabs, and a small container for screws or debris. Now open the chassis only if manufacturer instructions allow, otherwise. Begin with the exterior and keyboard cleaning steps. I'll guide you through next. You press the gel gently into the keyboard, making sure it fills gaps around keys without touching internal components directly. Then peel it up slowly. The gel lifts dust, crumbs, and oils. This is why consistency matters. If stubborn gunk remains, use a soft brush to coax particles to the edges and follow with a low-power vacuum or compressed air short bursts at an angle. Make sure to keep gel away from speakers, vents, and open ports. If you open the case, recheck connectors before closing. You finish by wiping the chassis and screen edges with a barely damp microfiber cloth. Use 70% isopropyl if grease remains, but avoid puddles. Once done, let everything dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Then reconnect cables and power on to verify keyboard and ports. If a key sticks or LEDs fail, make sure the ribbon is seated, repeat the gel step carefully, and inspect for remaining debris. If problems persist, stop and consult professional service to avoid voiding warranties or causing damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.